Good evening. Last 2 days I was not feeling well, so that's why no shave, nothing. But suddenly one of my friend asked me one counter, so no, I thought I know I can work on that. But suddenly I saw that it looks very interesting, so I thought I can put the video. Why I am putting the video immediately? Because I cannot again put all the dates in the chart and then I can save it. I cannot save more than 10 charts in Zerodha. So that's why I normally used to do my video immediately after I found anything interesting. So first we will talk about Nifty and from there we'll move to this company. Okay. So first we will talk about Nifty. Okay. So see the last 2 months, this is what they are doing. See this, May month expiry started, the new expiry started on 30th April. Okay. 29th April was the expiry closing day and 30th April they opened and they took it a new high, and near to the end on 20th May they brought the market down again to the opening of 30th April high, and from there they moved. Okay, from 20th May they moved the market to the new high, and again if you take this month, the expiry started I think on 29th. I think 1 second, we'll check the date also. The expiry started on 28th. Okay, the expiry started on 28th May, and the high made was on the open was 15,400 level, 450 level, and today they came and touched that level, and from there tomorrow I think the bottom is already done. So from here they are going to move up, and this is what they are doing. Why they are doing this? Because see, if on one day, if they do all this, then the premium of all the Nifty options as well as the stock options will go for a toss. So even if let's say you bought Tata Motors, call it 350, call it let's say 10 rupees or 15 rupees. Now they brought it down to 320. Even if they take it up to 350, you won't make anything. So they've eaten the premium left, right, and center. And today they've done a phenomenal work of eating all the premiums across stock calls. Okay, and even Nifty premiums all went for a toss. So in one day, they brought it down everything, and they went way below the expiry beginning, and from here they will move. So this is what they are doing for the last 2 months, and what to do? Premiums are eroding left, right, and center. And I've already mentioned that 21st is a mega day. If you take 4 days are very crucial for any indices across the world, which is March 27, June 27, March 21st, June 21st, September 21st, and December 21st. So most of the things will happen only on these 4 days. You take any indices, you take any stock for that matter, but it works very well in indices. In case if it is a leap year, then it is 1 day extra. That is what happened last year. 21st was holiday, and 22nd it's for leap year, so it is 22nd. And we thought of market will bottom out on 23rd March, but it bottomed out on 24th March. So these 4 days are very crucial for the markets. But how to trade, we only know. Okay, so now we are approaching the next important date for this year, which is June 21st. And I think the bottom is already made today. In case if market goes down tomorrow, it's well and good. We will take the low of 21st June, and from there we will see, where we are going to head in the month of July. Okay, so this how Nifty looks here. In case if it is not breaking today's low, then no problem at all. And Bank Nifty, it went way below yesterday's low. Yesterday was a very crucial day, which is 17th, which I've already mentioned in my PPT. It went way below. I was literally scared, but somehow it managed and pulled it back, and then it closed above yesterday's low. So now my thing is it has to cross above 17th high for the confirmation to go long. Okay, so this how Nifty works, indices works. Now I move to the counter called Suprajit Industry. Industry is in engineering, sorry, Suprajit Engineering. In case if the stocks gives any money to you, then the entire credit goes to my friend only. It is nothing to do with me. I have done only my technical research. Okay, so we will first go and see the EMS, sorry, SMAs. Okay, so now on a daily, the 100 SMA is giving support and 50 SMA is also giving support. So whenever it touches the 50 SMA, it is bouncing back for the last 2 days. And in the low, our 100 SMA also is there, which is at 266. And my system says buy at 265 with the stop loss of 259 for a target of 494. Okay, please remind this. Okay, keep it in your mind. Okay, so now on a daily basis, yes, it is giving support at the 50 SMA. And if you go to weekly, yeah, 20 SMA itself is giving support, so nothing to worry. And if you go to monthly, yeah, all the EMAs are above, the price is above all the EMAs, SMAs, so nothing to worry. And if you go to Ichimoku, one second, I'll remove all this. Okay, so on a monthly front, lagging, the price is above the cloud, and the lagging span is above all, so there is no endurance here, so this guy can go to fly. And if you go to weekly, yeah, weekly also absolutely no issues because the conversion line is giving support. And if you go to daily, here there is some small issue is happening, but anyway, whenever it comes and touches the flat line of the cloud, it bounces, because normally this line, the flat line, attracts the price always. So it came down, touched, bounced. Today it came down, touched, bounced. And the only issue is this guy is heading below the cloud. Okay, so now this guy has to move about 280 to go further, so that this lagging span will go after the cloud, and after that there won't be any endurance at all. Okay, so now why I'm see, even though it went way above the cloud here, but it is coming down because the dates are very important. Only when the dates comes, this will start doing well. Okay, so now we will go to pitchfork. So you all know the magical line, which is the median line, which gives support. So this median line, it touches and touched 2 days before and then bounced again. It touched 2 days before and then it bounced. Just a minute. Okay, so it bounced again. So I think this median line also is giving an amazing support. And if I take weekly, it's forming a rounding pattern. Okay, so the rounding pattern target says 494. Okay, this rounding pattern target says 494. And I will remove this to show you something. See, the important week for this guy was happened on 21st March, 22nd March week, and the high was 299.9 and the low was 265. Okay, and till now it is not able to break this high. Okay, see, before that, if you take 8th March, it went above 300, but this week is not crucial. Only this week is very, very crucial, which is 22nd March. So after that, it is not able to break the 300 level at all, and it started coming down. And last week it tried, it closed below, and this week it went, but today it gave everything. But it is closed in between the high and low of 22nd March 2021. I'm talking about the weekly. So the low is 265. The low was 265. My followers knows how to do this, how to buy TCD. If it comes to 265, buy. Maximum stop loss 2 rupees, not more than that. I think that will do for this guy. But my system says the stop loss is 259. So once it moves above 300, the target is 494. Okay, so this is on a weekly front. And if you go to daily front, okay, so first we'll talk about the channel. Here also it is forming a rounding pattern. So this is a channel, first on the top side and second on the bottom side. So it is respecting this line. So whenever it comes to this line, it is moving up. Again, here also it came and then touched the channel. Again came down, touched the channel here. and it is moving here. And 2 days back, I think it was a big selling happened here. Okay, I think there was some block deal happened in this on this day. That's why it was a big fall on this day. Anyway, no problem. Okay, now you all know that always blue date is very, very important. And the next comes the green color, and the next comes the brown color, because I only know what is the importance of these colors. So to just to make you understand, I'm just telling all these colors. Okay, so then the purple, and the last one is the yellow. Okay, so first we'll talk about the yellow. Yellow is happened on 21st Jan 2021, but now the price is far above this yellow, so we remove this yellow. We don't want this yellow. So now why it is getting sold? Because the high made on this day was 310, which is 12th March. Okay, 12th March high made was 310, and after that it is not able to break this 310 at all. Okay, so now the purple, once it crosses above 310, sure shot this guy will fly. Okay, another two dates which is very important are the green color one on 19th March and the 1st April. Okay, so now the price is within this date. See, if you take this day low, these 2 days low are more or less same, which is 280. And the recent date which is happened on 1st June, the 1st June low was 265. Okay, so the next date was happened on 7th June. So now simply by above 7th June high, I'll mark here 7th June high, which is 285, and this is for positional trade. Okay, and the stop loss is this day low, which is June 1st low, which is 265. And last 2 days, if I remove these two, so now it already went above. The TCD followers know how to trade this. Once it is went above and comes and touches this line, we buy with a 1 rupee stop loss. And that is what happened here. It came down, touched, and not went down even 1 rupee. And from there it bounced. Again, today it came down, bounced. Now it is already in buy. Based on the dates, it's already in buy. And if you get a 265, well and good, maximum 2 rupee stop loss. Or my system stop loss is 259 on a closing basis. Please remember, on a closing basis. Okay, and the next two important dates which are coming are on 5th August, which is again yellow date, and the mega date is happening on 12th August. Okay, watch out for this counter. So if it moves about 285 and closes about 310, 495, I think we can easily see in this counter. Okay, so looks very interesting with a very small stop loss, with the trending support and pitchfork support as well as the cloud support. I think we can take a chance in this counter with a very small stop loss. Okay, so yeah, this I've already explained, and I'll show the dates also. So these are the dates. So I marked in purple, in colors, the blue is very, very important, which is happened on June 1st, and the green, which is happened on 19th, 2021. And this is also very important, August 12th, which is going to come. And one more date, which is happened on August 1st also, sorry, April 1st also. That date also you can watch out. Okay, so I'm sorry. Because I keep these colors so that it is easy for me to go through it. So that's why I keep the color. Okay, and this one and yellow date I've already mentioned. Okay, so watch out for this counter. I think we can make some decent money in this counter. And again and again, I'm telling you, I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so please do your homework before investing any stock, or consult your financial advisor before investing in any mutual funds or any stock. And as I already told, that I'm very bullish on PSU banks. And I think in case if it bottoms out on 21st June, I think the counter to watch out is PSU Bank till July end. Let's see. I've already given all the counters also. So kindly do your homework. I am very, very bullish on the counters. Thank you. Bye.